Hey guys, what's going on? This is Alex again with another video for Affil Coin. So, in this video, I will show you the infamous passive income minting process and how to do it. I know you guys have heard me talking about how to make passive income with Affil Coin for quite a few months now, but here I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So, we've already set up our Affil Coin wallet. Let's go ahead and log in here. Just give me 1 sec to verify that I'm not a robot, even though part of me would like to be sometimes. Alright, now we log in. Okay, now the first screen that we're going to see after we log in is our dashboard. Right here you can see everything that's going on. You got information about Affil Coin up here, the number of transactions, the mintings, and the wallets that have been made. Okay, so we can see right here in my main wallet I have 10.5 coins. I have invested $10 already. Saved up a couple money for some couple dollars for some coffee there, and decided to put it into my Affil Coin just to try out this minting process. And you can see I've already been minting a little bit. This is where the 0.5 comes from, but I want to give you guys a little demonstration on how to do it. So quickly, we're going to go to the second from the bottom. It's a little wallet icon here. Click on that and we'll be able to see our wallet. Now, as you can see from here, this is how much money I've been making every single day from Affil Coin. Now, it's not much, but again, I didn't put a lot of money in the first place. I just put $10. So my return is, in response to what I gave. If you give more, then you earn more. All right, so back to the minting process. All we need to do is click on not send, not request, but minting. It'll bring us a little pop-up right here where we can designate the amount that we want to mint. I will put in 10 again. We cannot put in any digit lower than 1. So unfortunately, even though I only have 50 cents, I cannot put that into my minting yet. So all you have to do is click on the delegate button. Once you click delegate, you get this nice little pop-up with a little check mark that says payment succeeded. Now, we can see here the current minting. That is our minting going. That's how much we're earning right now, passively, while you sleep, while you're working, earning money, right? So, that's it. That's all we have to do. Hopefully in a couple weeks, I will be able to put some more money in there so you can see my minting and the process go up quicker, so that I can show you guys the rate in which it goes. Thank you guys so much for taking time to watch this video. I really hope you enjoy it. Please make sure to share this video. There are links down at the bottom to share the video. There is a notification button right next to the subscribe button. It's a little bell. If you click that button, you will automatically get notifications when I drop a new video. Please make sure to follow the Instagram. That's where we have all the latest information. When I get news, that's where I put it first, because maybe I'm not able to get back to my computer quick enough to record a video for you guys. So, please make sure you share this video. There's a link in the bottom to start your own Affil Coin wallet if you haven't already. Please get on it. Let's get our friends. Tell your friends about it. Anybody who knows anything about cryptos, let them know this is the system. This is the coin to be on. Affil Coin, using affiliate marketing with a coin. The best way to be. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.